Good morning, students. So again we have to start one more concept in the nanotechnology, that is the gold nanoparticles. You heard about the gold nanoparticles and silver nanoparticles, how it plays important role, what its applications. So first you should know regarding the cancer, okay, about chemotherapy and about the cancer, how it will develop and how gold nanoparticles will be helpful for the burning the cancer cells, okay. Cancer is a disease where cells grow out of control, invades, erodes and destroy the normal tissues here. Getting what I am saying? So cancer is one of the disease will be occurs due to the maybe due to some drugs, or it may be due to some other radiations like those things, and it will be again erodes and destroys the normal tissues. So this we called as the radiation and this we called as the chemotherapy to cure the cancer. So is it possible to cure the cancer disease by using the chemotherapy or by using any other treatment? Individuals undergoing chemotherapy frequently report experiencing symptoms as nausea, vomiting, loss of appetite, constipation, diarrhea. All these symptoms will be appears which patient undergoes the chemotherapy. Okay, he or she can means they will feel these symptoms like the nausea, vomiting, loss of appetite, fever, fatigue are also common side effects. These will be experienced by the chemotherapy patients. Means after the therapy or after the treatment, they will be feel these all symptoms. The most apparent and emotionally challenging side effect associated with chemo treatment is alopecia. Okay, a medical condition in which hair fall outs. You see in these conditions when the patients undergoes the chemotherapy or drug system, like the chemotherapy means what, by using the chemicals their treatment going to be gives. When the world says give up, hope whispers try one more time. So these we call as chemotherapeutic patients. Okay, here is the hope. Nanotechnology based drug delivery system. With the help of nanotechnology, by delivering the drugs along with the nanoparticles, you can cure the cancer diseases or any other diseases. Nanotechnology is the science that deals with the processes that occur at molecular level and of nano length scale size, okay, which means how the actually disease occur, what is the fault in the DNA or the GNA up to the molecular level. The nanotechnology will be studied, then they going to give the drugs so that they will be cure the diseases. So it is means to cure the cancer disease, it will be have the hope in the nanotechnology for curing. If it will not cure by using the chemotherapy, it will be cured due to the presence of the nanoparticles or the under the nanofield. Then nanoparticles. What is the actual nanoparticles? Nanoparticles as a drug delivery system enable unique approaches for cancer treatment. Okay, so chemotherapy means we're going to give the drugs or chemicals. Those only proper drug with the proper nanoparticles, when we inserted in the cancer cells, we can able to burst or destroy the cancer tissue or cancer cells. So nanoparticles have optical, magnetic and chemical and structural properties. All the properties actually which we want, that is present in the nanoparticles, that set them apart from bulk solids with potential applications in medicine. Okay, in the medical field, these gold nanoparticles and the silver nanoparticles have lot of benefits. Gold nanoparticles exhibit a combination of physical, chemical, optical and electrical properties. All these properties present in the gold nanoparticles. Okay, chemical properties, all the chemicals which we want, that is proper particles are present, and the proper bond length, electrons, ions and thing is present. Physical property also present, optical. Okay, all these will be present in gold nanoparticles. Gold nanoparticles plays a multifunctional role in image and diagnose disease. Image means in the CT scan, in the MRI scan, these particles were going to be used and it will be give the proper image, okay, and diagnose the disease. It will be diagnose the disease properly. Deliver of therapeutic agents, which will be means helpful for the delivering the drugs. Administer electromagnetic radiation to disease site, okay. That's why for the perfect size, where is the cells is there, tissue is there, in that it will be administered the drugs. Gold nanoparticles mediated thermal therapies. How it plays important role means gold nanoparticles are emerging as promising agents for cancer therapy. So these are emerging as promising agents. That's why it will be cure, means it is one of the hope for treating the cancer therapy or the cancer disease. These are beneficial in diagnosis of cancer due to their photophysical property and optical property. Gold nanoparticles means these are not actually preparing from the gold, but by using some other chemicals, these will be prepared the gold nanoparticles, and those going to be used to cure the cancer disease, because these have the best physical property and optical property. Unlike conventional cancer treatments, the golden nanoparticles approach uses no toxic chemicals and no radiation, reducing the risk of unpleasant side effects, okay. So we should not use the toxic chemicals, radiations, all these things, then only it will be reduce the side effects, unpleasant side effects. This therapy will work on any soft tissue tumors. This will be helpful to cure the soft tissue tumor like the prostate, breast, brain, skin, head, neck, and the cervix. So in these regions, the treatment will be given with the help of gold nanoparticles. The nanoparticles are designed to convert light into heat, blasting away the surrounding cancerous tissue, okay. They were going to means they will be designed as to convert the light into heat, means when you add the gold nanoparticles along with the drug in the cells or in the tumor, heat and the light going to be give to burst the cancer cells. Gold nanoparticles occurs as clusters of gold atoms up to 100 nm in diameter, okay. These we call as the gold nanoparticles. 5 mm gold cluster, like these it will be appears. Nano gold has unusual visible properties as the particles are small enough to scatter visible light. These will be also scatter the visible light. Mass gold reflects light, okay, like these visible light is there. Gold nanoparticles appear deep red to black in solution. How these will be looks? These will be looks in a solution as the red to black color, okay. Depend on size of nanoparticles. What is the mass? What is the width, length? Like based on those properties, it will be gives the color in the solution. Surface plasmon resonance is the term used by nanotechnologists in biosensing. Characteristics of gold nanoparticles. What are the main characteristics? Gold nanoparticles are chemically inert, okay. These have greater biological compatibility, plays very important role in the medical field. Optical properties like plasmon resonance are fluorescence and chemiluminescence having better exhibited by gold nanoparticles. Means in the microscopes we using the fluorescent dyes, okay. In those the gold nanoparticles we are using. Gold nanoparticles provide microscopic probes for the study of the cancer cell. When you observing under the cancer cells, it acts as a probes which provide the good image. Gold nanoparticles accumulate in the cancerous cell and show the cytotoxic effect. It will be accumulate in the cancerous cell and it will be show the cytotoxic effect, that is apoptosis or necrosis. Means when you insert the gold nanoparticles in cancer cell, the cancer cell will be die or the apoptosis will be happens based on the cell specific receptor. These have high stability due to the gold sulfur bonds. The bond which is present in the gold nanoparticles, that is the sulfur bond. That's why it have the high stability capacity. Appearance of gold nanoparticles on binding with cancerous cell. How it will be bind? By adding conjugated nanoparticle solution to healthy cells. Means you have to add the gold nanoparticle solution with the healthy cells and cancerous cells and focusing it under microscope. Shining cancerous cells are observed. When you combined all these, that is the conjugated gold nanoparticles with healthy cells and the cancerous cells, all these combined, and when you observe under the microscope, you can able to see the shining cancerous cells. Okay. Improving cancer treatment. So just see this we call as the traditional treatment. Drugs, cancerous cells, these we call as toxins. Non-cancerous cells, these we dead non-cancerous cells. Not all will die here, some are as it is. This we call as nanotechnology treatment. That is, those used the nano devices, toxins, cancerous cells. These are the non-cancerous cells. Here you see intact non-cancerous cells, dead cancerous cells. Like these will be happens here. Characterization of gold nanoparticles. UV spectroscopy. The formation of gold nanoparticles was followed by scanning the solution containing gold nanoparticles at the wavelength ranged from 400 to 700 nanometer. Then TM, transmission electron microscope. The analysis of synthesized gold nanoparticles was carried out on the film coated with the nanoparticles. How they analyzed the gold nanoparticles? The film which coated with the drop of nanoparticles, employing transmission electron microscope. They seen under the microscope. What are the applications or what is the useful of the gold nanoparticles? Gold nanoparticles for the delivery of protein, peptides and nucleic acid. These will be deliver all these things. Medical imaging. Okay. Diseases can be diagnosed through the detection of biomolecules characteristics to a specific disease type and stage. So for the identification or for the diagnosis purpose, these will be helpful. That means if any disease occurs, these particles will be show the perfect image, or it will be detect. Detection of tumor is the functionalization of the nanoparticle, okay, with an antibody specific to the tumor antigens, and then detect the nanoparticles by some spectroscopic technique. When you use the antigen antibody reaction in the cell, along with that the nanoparticles in the spectroscopic techniques, it will be show the functional and the non-functional tumor cells or the normal cells. Selective photothermal cancer therapy. This is one more application, okay. Photothermal means with the help of light and heat, you will be destroy the cells, cancerous cells. Future. Golden bullet technology in patient treatment. It will be comes in future, okay. Up to this regarding the gold nanoparticles, you have to write the introduction, properties and the application of the gold nanoparticles, okay. Thank you.